Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export WooCommerce orders in just a few clicks using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Whether you need a backup, need to migrate between sites, or want to analyze your sales, this quick guide will help you export your WooCommerce orders easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your WooCommerce store has some existing orders to export. Here on my site, I have around 100 orders. I will show you how to export these orders effortlessly in seconds. Alright, let's jump in. Head over to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin and click on the Export tab at the top. Choose WooCommerce Orders as your module. The plugin will show you the total number of orders available right here in the corner. That's how you know it's picking up your data. Click Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to configure your export settings. Give your file a name and choose your format. Whether it's CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, or TSV, the plugin supports it all. If you're exporting a large number of orders, enable Split the Record. This splits the file into smaller chunks and zips them together for easy downloading. Need to export only certain orders? No problem. Enable advanced filters to customize your export. You can use auto delimiters, export directly to Google Sheets, filter orders by a specific date range or status. You can also include only selected fields, or even schedule the export if you want. All set? Click the export button to start the process. Once it's done, just click Download to save the file to your device, and you're good to go. That's how you export WooCommerce orders the easy way with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Want to know how to import WooCommerce orders? Check out the link in the description for a step-by-step video on that as well. If this video helped, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more how-tos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.